Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. Power of technical analysis, power of Fibonacci, Bollinger Band and candlesticks. That is the theme today on which I will be talking about today's market performance. Before that, I request everyone to subscribe to my educational video of Fibocan's company, wherein we are given module 1 to 16, 16 being income tax on derivatives, which will be very useful for derivative traders. So wherein we have covered everything. So coming back to this video, every video, as you know, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. So Fibocan, as you know, is wealth enabler. So we enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, which is why the other channel we have rolled out, and that will be really useful. So today is March 13, 2023, Monday. Power of Fibonacci, candlestick and Bollinger Band. So what happened? Why I am saying that? Technical analysis. Why? What happened? If you recollect, I had said in a global markets video on Saturday, of course we posted it on Sunday, you would have seen on Sunday, and Saturday you would have seen our Friday's video which we posted on Saturday. There was some delay, time lag in uploading the videos, but you would have seen on Saturday our Friday's video, wherein we have said that market clearly opened significantly lower and formed a kind of a abandoned baby or a hanging man type of a candle, hammer. It's a hammer, but no, it is called as a abandoned baby normally, below the 200-day moving average for Nifty, while BankNifty formed a solid red candle. This was a Friday story. And technically also we said that it is looking weak. Today what happened? It opened below that level. Nifty and BankNifty opened below that level. Then it made a valiant attempt to go up. Normally what happens when there is a exuberance that happens or there is a panic selling. Today, if it would have been a panic selling, market would have reversed. But unfortunately, instead of panic selling, after opening gap down, it went up and went up, it crossed 5 exponential moving average, 8, 10, and it was going near the 20 exponential moving average. And in fact, it was trying to go near the previous week's close. But what happened? Bears came back powerfully and pushed it down so hard that both now Nifty and BankNifty, this was Nifty, BankNifty also same story, no different, okay, Nifty, BankNifty. In fact, Nifty crossed Friday's high. That means you can see the power with which it will propel, but it was something like what you call, there is no inherent strength. Without lack of strength, it was going up. As Newton's law, we say that anything that goes up will come down because you have to escape the escape velocity. If you can't do that, you will fall. That is what precisely today it happened. Finally, what it had happened, it closed, both BankNifty and Nifty closed below the 50-week moving average. What is 50-week moving average? Similar to that of Nasdaq. What is 50-week moving average? 4 years average. 4 years average means we are in 2023. 2019, 20, 21, 22, 20, 21, 22, 23 average. That average, we closed below that. And we managed to slightly stay above, when we say we, both Nifty and BankNifty, above 200 DMA, daily moving average. So, it's a significant downtrend. However, it is extremely oversold. Hence, people who want to go short at this level should be extremely careful, number one. Number two, last time itself we said that the lower level at Fibonacci 61.8 is there. So that will act as a support, which is somewhere from 100 points. So Nifty and before that BankNifty and Nifty where it closed, we will say. Nifty closed 17,154.30, 1.5% down. BankNifty closed 39,564.7, 2.27% down. So from here another 100 points below, we have Fibonacci 61.8 level. That will act as a very strong support. That's number one. Number two is that it is extremely oversold in the short time period. Okay, when I say short term period, daily and in the hourly charts. So then that means taking a new fresh short position at this stage, please avoid it. You might be trapped. However, you have to be cautious if you want to go long, because if any overnight US news comes on SVB, finally they decided to bail it out, which is the right thing I would say, because as I have mentioned in my module, if banking collapse, any bank collapse, even a smallest of banks collapse, the contagion effect will be very severe, and the ripples might not only be felt within the country today, because of the global economy is integrated, it will be felt across the world. That is what it is. So Friday, once again, I said that every analyst is saying that we are an island, we are isolated. There is no isolation, visualization. We are integrated, and you can see the fall that it happened. I said on Friday. Now I am saying that exercise caution to go short from these levels. However, if you want to go long, please be double cautious, because short at least you have time to exit. But if you go long, if it opens gap down or significant gap down, it is going to be a nightmare. Hence, no, as a trader, if anyone is watching as a trader, please do not keep overnight position in these markets. It's extremely risky, particularly long. Contra trades don't put, and even if you put, have intraday. Don't go for contra long and keep overnight position. Anything might happen. It might be a nightmare experience it will become. So also in the monthly chart, it is below all the exponential moving average. When I say all the below exponential moving average, 8 month, 10 month. So that's something very not a good sign from if you are looking for a bullish. Okay. Also, one more important thing which I have to tell. I have been telling this always. Nothing new I am saying. As far as Nifty is concerned, I have said that 17,464.8 is going to be a very strong support when it was going down, and the moment it is broken, now it has broken that decisively and broken 17,354.10. What is 354.10? 2021 calendar year close. 17,464.8 is nothing but financial year 2021-22 close. That is last March close, which means now it has another how many days, 12 or so trading days in this month or in this year, financial year I am saying. It has to close above that. If it closes, even if it is closing above that and closes around this level, the kind of candle that would have formed is not good, and it is called a typical hanging man after significant up move. Normally, if that happens, then that means the next candle will be a big red candle, which means 2023-24 financial year will be a red candle. Hence, please, if you are a small investor, please be cautious and don't go by TV channel people coming and talking. They blabber. They call themselves fundamentals and they give technical views. I am sorry to state, they blabber. So please be cautious. This is what I am giving my technical view. Of course, if overnight things changes, anything can happen in the next 12 days. But positively to happen such a thing, you need some dramatic changes. Whereas for negative to happen, it is very easy. However, in the short run, tomorrow I expect some short covering to come in. Definitely it can come because it has extremely oversold. But one has to be very cautious and play accordingly. Now let's analyze the individual stocks. Banks, AU fell 4%, Yes Bank 5%, SBI Federal 3%, IndusInd 7%, IDFC, ICICI, Axis 2%, 1% fall in HDFC Kotak and 3% in Bandhan. So IndusInd Bank, they say, I mean, I don't know, I don't believe, but they say that CEO got only 2 years or 3 years extension. I mean, how does it matter? Yeah? A company of 10,000 crores profit, can one CA make or break CEO? I don't think so. But anyway, analysts say that, but technically it is in a, it's bearish. That is what it is. Because further, all the banking and financial stocks are at least 3 to HDFC is the only, HDFC Twins are the only exception, which is 2% below the 3 or 2% below the 2022 close. Whereas SBI, IndusInd, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Twins, Bajaj Finserv, all are 8, 10, 13% down, which means 13% one cannot go down or go up. That means there is something, really there is a structural problem technically. So hence avoid. Okay. Financial. Bajaj Finance, HDFC, Muthoot, Shriram 1%, all fell 1%. Bajaj Finserv, Chola Finance, LIC Housing Finance 3% down, 2% down, sorry. M&M Finance and Manappuram 3% down, while L&T Housing Finance 4% down. So you can see that everything is down. I mean, there is nothing which is up. In fact, anything up only I have to read. Otherwise, no, I can just tell everything is down. Insurance and cards, LIC, HDFC Life, SBI cards, SBI Life, everything fell 2%. Oil and Telecom, Bharati 1%, Reliance 2%. So significant downtrend. IT, Birlasoft, Cofor, HCL, Intellect, TCS, Wipro 1% down, Infi 2% down, Emphasis 4% down. TechCam was the only one standout performance, 7%. Okay, so here again, people say that no, they've identified Mr. Mohit from Infi, who was the director, who is president, who is joining here. That's why market is going up. I am surprised once again. Okay, what difference does it make between Mr. CP Gurnani and Mr. Mohit? I really don't know. One CEO can, for such a company of large company, can one CEO make or break? I don't think so. But definitely yes, with change in CEO, probably the structure, approach can change, strategies can change. Okay, he can change the vision, which we have to see. But notwithstanding that, if you had recollected, we have said last month itself, 6 months it was forming a rounding bottom, which means no, it was either supposed to jump up or go down. Wipro is also showing similar trend, but Wipro is weak. Techem was always not willing to go below 990 in the last 6 months, which is why it took support from there, and it is bouncing off nicely, which is good. On the consumer goods, Trent 1% down along with PVR, Pidilite, Nestle, ITC, DMart, Berger, 2% down on Asian Paints, Page and Titan. ABFRL 3% down. So overall consumer is down. Automobiles, everything is down again. Bajaj Auto, Maruti fell 1%. Escorts, Hero Motor, TVS 2%. Tata Motors, M&M, Eicher, Ashok Leyland 3%. Motherson 4%. Bharat Forge 3% again. Metals, Hindalco, Tata Steel, SAIL, Coal India 1% down, while Jindal, JSW, everything remained flat. But Jindal, please be cautious. Metals in general, be cautious. People will say buy metals. Overall, it is infra, spend, that and all, let it be there. It is technical. Okay. Health and Pharma, Cipla and Divis 1% down along with Thyrocare and Metropolis. Apollo Hospitals managed to stay above, formed 1% up. But please don't think that it is going to run away. Apollo Hospitals, if it closes somewhere around this level, next week you can expect a big fall. So be cautious. Okay. Others, L&T, Aries, UPL, Adani Enterprise, Nika, APL, Apollo, Havels 1% down. DLF, Adani Ports, India Marts, Indigo, IRCTC, Polycab, Ultratech 2% down. Godrej Properties 3% down. Delta Corp, Zomato 4% down. So Adani Enterprise, same story, nothing to repeat. On the Nifty option expiry range, see, bottom we are not going to give because it is extremely difficult. If something extremely negative happens overnight, or if there is a cascading impact due to SVB, Silicon Valley Bank, okay, of course the Fed is going to bail it out. That's a good thing, I would say, because any industry can fail, banking should not fail. That I am very clear on that. Whatever it happens, it is typical ALM, asset liability management or mismanagement. That is what the problem was. So hence the support, it is very difficult to give. While there are various levels of support, but on the resistance we can give. Why? Resistance 50 DMA daily moving average, which is at 41,573. That will act as a strong resistance. Whatever happens, whatever short covering, extreme positive news also, that will act as a resistance for this week option expiry Thursday. Likewise, Nifty 50 DMA once again 17,827. So on the support, it's very difficult. Please be cautious. Thank you very much.